to our channel again, Desi Lens. So me, Parul, I'm going to take you along with me to the lovely journey of Palea Kameni, which are the hot springs situated in Santorini and which has sulfur deposits which are great for skin. I hope that you have seen our previous videos which were based in Greece, in Athens and Santorini. We wanted to cover it all in our Santorini video, but one thing which really blew our minds off was Palea Kameni. So if you have not seen our previous videos, I would suggest you to go back and see our previous videos of Athens and Santorini, and you would really enjoy this video. Until then. So to reach Palea Kameni, we took a boat tour from Santorini which took us to firstly Kameni, which is also known as the Caldera or the active volcano, and after that we landed in this beautiful place called Palea Kameni. I would only recommend the tour of hot springs to the people who can swim well, as they stop the boat a little further away from the hot springs and you have to swim your way up to there. These beautiful hot springs have a large amount of sulfur deposits which are considered to be very good for the skin. Once your boat stops, you can dive into the water or you can climb down the steps into the sea. I chose to climb down the steps as it was much safer. Most of the tour guides also offer a pool noodle, which is a long cylindrical piece of foam. Though I am a good swimmer, I opted for the swim noodle because it helps you float better, and I did not have a lot of experience of swimming in an open sea. As you start swimming further away from your boat towards the hot springs, you will notice that the temperature of the water is slowly rising. The water of the hot springs is not very hot, but it is just comfortable and very relaxing. As you reach towards the corner, you can enjoy the relaxing hot springs, and under the bed of the hot springs, you can find the sulfur deposits which are very good for the skin. You can take some mud from there and apply to your face and body. Before jumping in the water, make sure you are not wearing any ornaments or jewelry, as sulfur can corrode some metals. After soaking some sun and enjoying the lovely natural mud pack of the sulphur enriched deposits in the Palea Kameni, you can wash them away with the water in the sea. As you swim slowly back to the boat, you will realize this tour has flown by so quickly. I personally loved the experience of the natural hot water springs with beautiful sulfur deposits, and my skin did receive some extra glow for the next 2 to 3 days. So I hope you enjoyed our video and the other videos based in Greece, which were in Santorini's, Athens and Mykonos. If you have not watched the videos, I would request you to go and watch those videos. And do subscribe to our channel so that we are motivated to take you along with us to the beautiful destinations in Europe and around the world. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.